Power target trades, power trigger trades.
People, I got a very informative and powerful video here, how to succeed with options, how to make money with options. As you can see here, I call this a double whammy win. And also this video shows the importance of what I call adaptive thinking. Now I made a plan with the November 31st, November 15, 235 calls. And this was the extension plan right over here. So you can see here what I said here, October 21st, okay? This is just a follow-up plan, right? So I said, here is another Apple plan, as Apple can go and test 250 easy if this plan confirms. It also confirms Apple to test 300 long-term or higher, as high as 320 long-term. And I think it's even more than that. But because we've already confirmed this particular plan, that is what I see the big picture of for Apple long-term. That being said, let's see what I said here in the options here. So I clicked into the charts here, and you can see here, right over here where the circle is, that's the October 21st plan. I said Apple could hit over 250 before earnings. By the way, it is set up, and following my rules, the November 01 242.5 calls are what we will use. Apple needs to break above 242 to confirm. Now, as you can see, on October the 21st, Apple closed at 240 at 51. All right, now see right over here where the arrows are. In case you don't see the arrows, go look at the arrows. And that are the November 01 242.5 calls. Now, at the time on that day, they closed at $477. Now, of course, we had to pay higher than that on confirmation. But I want to show you the process, so pay attention to the video. I'm going to show you some more key information, and I'm also going to link a video at the end of the video of the November 15 235 calls. This is why I call it a double whammy when you combine the two winning plans to greater than 150% gains in large priced options with skill on calling the real direction for a stock like Apple. This is called big picture thinking. Study this YouTube channel. You have found power. You have found gold. All right, people, here it is, October 22nd, 22nd. Apple has confirmed with the November 01 240 calls at 540 based on the power, so they can be bought at 540 or lower. You know, Apple didn't confirm with it took its time to call. Now, these were, of course, not the 240, the 242.5 calls, right? The 242.5 calls confirmed at 540. Okay. So now, that being said here, all right, people, so I'm going to fast forward here to today, which is October the 29th, okay? This is a plan that I manage inside my group, Power Group Trades. But I did exit today. I want to show you this. So Apple stops with the November 01 242.5 calls are 9, okay? Then I moved them. So you can see the difference in time. Apple stops for the November 01 242.5 calls are 940. Trying to sell them at 10 or higher is the goal. But in the end, I got stopped out. Apple, so was stopped out at 940 for the November 01 242.5 calls. They hit a high of 10. So basically, people, the big picture, I'm going to show you that because this happened intraday today on October the 29th. But if you look where Apple went, let's go look at the charts here now, people. Give me 1 second here. I'm going to show you the charts. All right, people. So here I have the intraday charts, a snapshot. These are daily charts, but intraday. See here, 937. This is where I took the snapshot. Now you see at the top, because you don't see my cursor. Right at the top, see, look at that option chain box. And the first line, you're going to see the November 04, November 01, the 242.5 calls, and you can see the price is 945. Okay, now these actually hit practically 10.00 today, October the 29th, before they pulled it back. Okay, and by the way, I even had another plan, but that's for another video. But we exited today. We exited today the full position for close to 100% gains. Okay, well, yeah, no, well, let's see, what is it? At least 80. Yeah, about 80, sorry, 80%, not 100%, 80% gains, okay? So if you combine the two, it's actually 180% gains. I have managed the big picture for Apple earnings plays, okay, earning plans into earnings. Great, great, great gains. I gave my group another suggestion, right? But that's for another video. But right now, pay attention here. You go look at your chart. Actually, show me. Let me show you something here. Give me 1 second, people. All right, people. I'm in the charts here, October the 29th, and you can see Apple had fallen. But I mean, this run was monumental. My targets were 242. I mean, look at this. Where's the high? 249.75. 25 cents off of my target. Now, if that's not leadership, I don't know what is. It's a powerful identification skills, adaptive thinking in the market, right? Is what I have. You want to study my YouTube channel, I'm wealth. Powerful information. So let me show you intraday here. So we're going to go put up the 10-minute charts here, okay? And let's see what happened here, okay? So 10-minute chart. So as you can see, Apple opened up, let's go to 3 minutes because because this was done very quickly, okay? So as you can see, Apple went up first, okay? And then I got stopped out on this bar. And then from there on, Apple pulled back and that was game over. However, I had managed this plan with stops. Other days we never got touched the stops until today. So I led the group practically to the high of Apple's earning run in a step-by-step manner inside my group. Also check out my Tesla video, people. Study this video, study what you're seeing, open your eyes, wake up and smell the coffee. If you're a stock clown out there and you wanna learn how to make money with skill and not fear, get inside my group. It's free. Get inside my group. Power Group Trades. Let me show you how this is done. Let me show you. All right, people. Welcome to Power Trick or Trade. Confirmation is key. So listen, it's very simple. But you need to follow instructions to get them inside my group. I don't just take anybody. It's about people serious for success, okay? And my YouTube channel is designed to show people why I am the big picture leader, to help the right people succeed, because 95% will fail long term in the market. Guaranteed. This is just a statistical measurement, okay? The success is for the few and not the many. If you're not willing to put in the work and the time and the study and follow my rules, you will not have a chance to succeed. You will fail. And Power Trick or Trade, I do live. So I'm going to show you what I do, okay? I give tons of support to my group, okay? This is advice worth thousands of dollars a month for free. You're not going to get this kind of leadership anywhere. And it's all documented on my YouTube channel. You come into my group, you witness it for yourself. You witness how you follow my rules, you have a chance to succeed. All right, now, so right over here, see this over here? See this pinned tweet video? You click on it, it explains how to become a member. And right over here is my YouTube channel. You click on it. Let's go to my YouTube channel right now. Let's go to my YouTube channel. All right, people, welcome to Power Trick or Trade's Wealth and Health Leader. That's right, people. I do live streams on Wednesday at 9:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Canada, on a weekly basis. I've been updating the market. I explain about the SPY 300 in all difficult situations, with backed up week after week after week with live streams and education for those smart enough to listen. Not the stock clowns who don't want to pay attention. To those smart enough to pay attention and realize they need leadership. Okay? Need leadership? You come into my group, it's free. It's up to you. You can do what you want. You take plans, you do your own things. You're only going to get a lot of benefit being in my group because I help you succeed mentally with powerful plans that are documented on my YouTube channel for you to learn and grow from. All right, now. So I suggest you study this created playlist, a wealth of information. Study what I'm about. That's what you got to do to get inside my group for one, right? Subscribe to this YouTube channel. If you don't have a YouTube account, get one. Subscribe here manually. If you have one already, at the end of the video, you'll see a picture of me in a circle format. Simply click on it, and it's going to give you an easy way to subscribe. Don't forget to like this video, pay attention to this video, and also check out my Tesla video. Okay, how we made the gains in Tesla. I made a lot of winning plans in Tesla, but this year, and Tesla is going to be a superstar winner this year, I believe. So get inside my group. A lot of great plans. Study my YouTube channel. Study, people. I'm here to help those who are serious for success. If you're a clown, I don't want nothing to do with stock clowns. See you on the other side if you're serious for success. And don't forget to like the video. Ha ha, stock clowns.
Power target trades. Power trigger trade.